Sense of smell. Smell is the act of detecting chemical molecules in the air by sensitive nerves in your nose. They send a signal to your brain telling it what kind of smell it is. What may smell good to one person need not be the same for another. What is panting? Our lungs are responsible for providing the body with oxygen that is essential for our body to work. When you breathe in, your lungs fill with air. Tiny structures inside, called bronchioles, absorb the oxygen from this air. Immediately, the oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream and taken to the heart, where it is pumped to the rest of the body. However, when we are running or cycling or are very active, the muscles in our body require more sugar to produce the added energy. Our muscles need an extra amount of oxygen in order to use the sugar in the blood for energy. This is why we pant or breathe more heavily. We do not have to purposely breathe faster when we run. Our body will automatically adjust our breathing to make up for the energy we require. It is advised that you do not eat before doing any heavy activity, since oxygen-rich blood is also needed by the stomach to digest food once you've eaten. Project: record the amount of breaths you take in 1 minute. Then run a set distance and compare how many breaths you take per minute. Once your breathing comes back to normal, run the same distance, but this time try and purposely take longer breaths as you run. What is the difference in your breaths per minute after round 1 and round 2? The digestive system. The digestive system is responsible for supplying the body with the nutrients needed for carrying out bodily functions. It breaks down the food we eat into smaller particles, which is then used by the body to generate energy. The digestive system is made up of the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and the rectum. The mouth. Food is broken into smaller pieces in the mouth by chewing. The esophagus. These pieces, being easy to swallow and digest, travel down the esophagus to the stomach. The stomach contains juices which break down these particles into smaller molecules. The small intestine. The food is further broken down in the small intestine. Glands like liver and pancreas produce bile and pancreatic juice, which help in this process. The simple molecules are then absorbed into the bloodstream from the small intestine and sent to all parts of the body. Large intestine. Water is absorbed from the remaining food in the large intestine. Rectum. The leftover solid waste is thrown out of the body through the rectum. What are the end products of digestion? Proteins result in amino acids, fats give us fatty acids, and starch gives us simple sugars. The small intestine is over 20 feet long. Food can travel for over 12 hours in our digestive system before it gets completely digested. Why do we get tanned? The sun is a life-giving force. However, too much of sun can be harmful to humans and plants alike. The brown color in your skin is caused by the presence of a pigment called melanin. It serves as a protective layer in your skin to prevent it from getting damaged by the sun. When our skin is exposed to the sun, it begins to produce melanin to protect itself. Over a long period of time, the accumulation of this pigment under your skin is known as a tan. The body does not produce melanin immediately. If your skin is exposed to very harsh sunlight, your body may not be able to produce enough melanin in time to prevent your top layer of skin from getting severely damaged. This is why we get sunburned. The layer of skin that gets burnt will automatically peel off to reveal a new layer of skin underneath. If you're going out in the sun, put on sunscreen if you're at the beach, or cover up with some cool cotton clothing. Project. Most sunscreens have different SPFs. Can you find out what that stands for and what it means? What are bumps and bruises? Have you ever crashed into something when running around on the playground that results in a nasty bump? If it's really bad, then the swelling is accompanied with hues of purple, green, and yellow surrounding the injured area. Let's find out why all this happens. Right under the top layer of your skin is a network of very fine tubes that carry blood known as capillaries. When you bump into something, these capillaries burst and release the blood that is flowing through them into the surrounding tissue. Even though the skin does not break, blood is released into the tissue and will coagulate. Bumps normally occur when the injury is near a part of the body that is close to the bone, like on your head, shin, or forearm. Bruising occurs due to the same reason as bumps, but the different colors appear because of the blood that spills out of the capillaries into the tissues. As hemoglobin breaks down, it changes color from purple to green, then yellow, and finally golden brown. Since this is not actually life-threatening, the body will automatically clean up the bruised area and your skin will look as good as new in a week or so. Project. Can you find out why you get a black eye when you break your nose?